Dear students, today we are going to study Roman numerals. So what are Roman numerals? Roman numerals are those numerals which are formed with the help of some particular symbols. These Roman numerals are first used by Romans. So before going into Roman numerals, we will see what those numbers are called which we use in our day-to-day life. These are Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals are those numerals which are formed with the help of these digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now let's go to the Roman numerals. Roman numerals are formed with the help of symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, what do you mean by this? I means its value is 1 in Hindu-Arabic numeral, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. In class 3, you are having Roman numerals up to 39 only, and up to 39 we are going to use only 3 symbols I, V, X. Okay, so before forming the Roman numerals, we will see some rules related to them. The rule number 1 is saying if a numeral is repeated, that means it is addition. A Roman numeral can be repeated up to maximum 3 times. And note it, V is never repeated. What do you mean by this? It means if we have to write 2, then we will write I 2 times. If we have to write 3, then we have to write I 3 times. But if we have to write 4, so we are not going to write I 4 times, because as per the rule, Roman numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So in that case, we will see what we do in that case. Next rule is if a smaller numeral is written after a large numeral, their values are added. What do you mean by this? For example, if we have to write 6, the how we will write 6? 6 will be written like that, V plus I. That means 5 plus 1. 5 is V and 1 is I. VI. V is a bigger one and I is the smaller one, and a smaller one is written after the bigger one. That's why we are adding 5 plus 1. Next, if a smaller numeral is written before a large numeral, its value is subtracted from the value of the larger numeral. What we mean by this? I have told you in the rule number 1 how we are writing 4. Here we are writing 4. For example, if we have to write 4, we cannot write 4 by repeating I 4 times, because it is wrong. Okay, so how we are writing 5? How we are writing 4? We will write 4 by subtracting 1 from 5. Okay, so in Roman numeral, how we write actually the subtraction? In that case, we have to write the smaller number on the first. We have to write the smaller number and then we have to write the bigger number, like IV. I is written before the larger number. Here, that's why it is subtracted. IV means we have to subtract 1 from 5. Okay, so these are the 3 important rules for writing Roman numerals up to 39 only. Now let's see how we write Roman numeral from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 means I, 2 is 2 times 1, that is 2I, 3 times 3 times 1, 3 means 3 times 1, that means I. Now for 4, we cannot repeat 1 4 times, because rule is saying we cannot repeat any Roman numeral more than 3 times. So here we are going to subtract 1 from 5. That means we are going to write V after I. That is 4 is IV. 5 is V. 6 is 5 plus 1, that is VI. 7 is 5 plus 2, that is VII. 8 is 5 plus 3, that is VIII. Again, now 9 is not V 4 times I, because again I cannot be repeated more than 3 times. In that case, we have to subtract 1 from 10. That means we have to write I before X. So that is 9. Now 10 is X. X is a symbol. Now let's go to 11. Now we all know expanded form. So here we are writing expanded form of double digit numbers. 11 is 10 plus 1. 10 we know x plus 1, that means I. xi. 12 is 10 plus 2, xii. 13 is 10 plus 3, x triple I. 14 is 10 plus 4, x. 4 is iv. 15 is 10 plus 5, that means xv. 16 is 10 plus 6, that is xvi. 17 is 10 plus 7, xv double I. 18 is 10 plus 8, xv triple I. 8 is v triple I. 19 is 10 plus 9, 10 is x and 9 is ix. And 20 is double x. Okay. So if we are already learned with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Roman numerals, then we can easily write Roman numerals up to 39. Now let's go to 21 to 30 Roman numerals. 20, 20 plus 1, 20 we know double x and I. 22 is 20 plus 2, double x, double I. 23 is 20 plus 3, double x, I. 24 is 20 plus 4, double x, IV. 25 is 20 plus 5, double x, V. 26 is 20 plus 6, double x, VI. 27 is 20 plus 7, double x, V double I. 28 is 20 plus 8, double x, VII. 29 is 20 plus 9, double x, IX. 30 is triple times x. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is triple time x. Okay. Now move to Roman numerals up to 39, from 31 to 39. Let's start with 31. 31 is 30 plus 1 and 30 we know xxx, 1 is I. 32 is 30 plus 2, the 30 is triple x and 2 is II. 33 is 30 plus 3, triple x, triple times I. 34 is 30 plus 4, triple x, IV. 35 is 30 plus 5, triple x, V. 36 is 30 plus 6, 30 plus 6, 30 is triple x and VI. 37 is 30 plus 7, triple x, V double I. 38 is 30 plus 8, triple x, V triple I. 39 is 30 plus 9 and triple x, IX. So these are Roman numerals which are from 1 to 39. So I hope you all have understood how to write Roman numerals. So that's all for today. Thank you.